Welcome back to 4W Farms. Today I'm going to be releasing some pigs on pasture. So you may notice that as I'm talking right now, it's probably not matching up with what's in the video. That's because I lost the audio for a couple of clips. So a little bit of this video will be me just narrating what I was talking about during that time. So I'm about to release my pigs on pasture. I had kept them up because I thought I was going to be selling them out of there, but they'd been in there for a few months. And I'm going to let them out. That way they're not totally dependent on me for food. There's the newborns right there. As you can see, they're looking good. They're growing up pretty fast. So I'm going to use my impact to remove the top two boards here. I kind of just impromptu put that up to close off that section whenever we built it. I'm going to start digging down in a second because I thought I was going to be able to remove the bottom board, but from the hay and all that, it's piled up so much I could not get that bottom board out. So I'm just going to release the top two boards to let these guys out. As you can see, they know something's different. They're investigating. They're a little shy at first once this comes down, but then they start to kind of pile out of there. Let's go see what the little ones are doing. What y'all doing? Come here. Y'all scared because I let them out? You scared? It's a little crazy out here. Come on. Come here. You'll be alright. Y'all just go in and lay down. Go inside and lay down. Don't worry about what's going on out here. There's a big muscular guy right there. So yeah, I let them out. So there's a little bit of bumping and fighting, a little bit of a dominance being established. That should calm down as they're out here now. But at least they're out here. They can find some other stuff besides just relying on me. They can find some pecans. We got some pecan trees out here. I'm gonna, once the deer season's over, I'm going to run a hot wire over here so they'll be able to go this way and they'll be able to go down that way. Pretty much the same setup as I've got back behind me. It goes that far down. And so, and there's definitely pecan trees in here, stuff like that. There'll be some ryegrass that they'll be able to get on. So they already have plenty of stuff to feed on. Then I may keep them on one side and plant the other in something. I haven't decided yet, but just try to minimize my cost. Looks like some exploration has already begun. What are y'all finding? You finding something good? Oh yeah, y'all gonna root up everything now. What are y'all doing? Huh? Y'all like it? Y'all like it out here? I think the babies had enough excitement for me letting all them out there over here in a pile. Let me show you what they're doing. It's okay. I'm getting warm. I'm getting warm. I'll leave y'all alone.